low performance, excessive smoke, high oil consumption. This all leads to the dreaded turbo lag that could result in costly damage to your Cummins ISX engine. Experiencing more than one issue? Be proactive and give your truck the turbocharger needed to be reliable. Avoid any impacts to your truck and bottom line. Get back on the road with America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Contact the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts, where we provide education, online resources, technical knowledge, and service, getting you back on the road. Experience the difference Highway and Heavy Parts can do for you and your diesel engine. Like this turbocharger for the Cummins ISX 15. Choose balanced, long-lasting power you can count on with this turbocharger from Highway and Heavy Parts. Designed with high-quality components and tested for maximum durability. This turbo can withstand the most extreme conditions inside your engine. Manufactured and assembled in an ISO 9001 certified facility, this turbo is precision machined to guarantee the tightest tolerances, including high-speed VSR balancing. Replacing your old turbo can not only help you reduce emissions and increase your vehicle's performance, but also save you money at the pump. Maximize your engine's power, increase its efficiency, and bring forth ultimate performance. Quality, performance, and power. Backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified parts technicians. From purchase to installation, HHP has you covered. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping from America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.